Imagine carving through a dark mountain trail, your path lit up like daylight, every corner under your control, and every car able to see you from a distance. Tonight, your ride doesn't have to be risky. It can be irresistibly bright. Problem and desire, most riders settle for weak, shaky little lights that barely spill onto the road. You deserve a beam that cuts through the night, protects you, and makes every ride feel like a cinematic experience. Product highlights first. Meet the Ravman PR211. Up to 2,000 lumens of controlled power, with an LED runtime display and wireless remote so you can change modes without lifting your hands off the bars. This is your do-it-all headlight for fast road rides and aggressive mountain biking. If you crave even more punch, the Ravman PR400 turns the night into your playground with up to 2,400 lumens and old runtime. Display in a far-reaching high beam paired with an anti-glare low beam, so you see everything without blinding anyone. For riders who want powerful, efficient light in a compact body, the Ravman PR1400 delivers up to 1,400 lumens with a dual-lens design and LED display. Perfect for night commuting and trail sessions in any weather. Then there's the Magic Sheen RN150, oh so sleek, underneath-mounted bike light with up to 1,500 lumens, Wesebe, rechargeable, and front and back coverage for those who ride both road and mountain and want a clean cockpit look. And for true tech lovers, the Ravman K1800. Smart bike light brings brains and brawn together. Bright output with AI night riding mode, auto on-off, adjustable brightness, and even a power bank feature to top up your devices on the go. See, if you're serious about night riding, stop gambling with cheap lights. Treat your bike and your safety to one of these 5 best-selling, high-performance lights. Click the link right below this video now to grab your favorite model directly from the official site before your next night ride begins.